Welcome again to Rough Diamond Recipes. Today's recipe is beef short ribs in coconut milk. A full list of ingredients is down in the description box below. Sorry if the production for this video is not up to our usual standards. The fact is that my wife's not helping much, due to the fact that, well, best you look for yourself. Yes, she's broken her arm. And how did she break it, you ask? Simple. She got in a fight with the vicar's wife over the last chocolate HobNob.
No, I wasn't. You know I was skydiving.
So you say, but that doesn't explain why the vicar's wife phoned up for a rematch, does it? Anyway, that's enough of that. First thing we do is cut the ribs into portion-sized pieces, or of course you could ask your butcher to do that when you buy the things in the first place. Next, heat the oil in a supersized casserole dish and brown the meat on all sides. Don't be tempted to cut short this procedure because it makes a big difference to the finished dish. And when the meat is all browned, simply remove and reserve. Well, you're not going to remove and throw them away, you. When this is done, add the onions, garlic, ginger and star anise to the pan and mix in well. And then it's time to add in the tomato puree, curry powder, bay leaf and again mix through. Then it's time to add in the coconut milk and salt and pepper to taste. Yes, I know you won the fight, Petal, but trying to drown a vicar's wife in a font over a chocolate biscuit is going a bit too far. When this is done, it's time to put the beef back in the pan, simply snuggle down into the sauce. Then lastly, add the stock until the liquid comes halfway up the beef. Then it's on with the lid to the pan and off to 150°C oven for 3 hours. When the 3 hours are up, remove the beef from the oven, remove the ribs from the pot onto a serving tray, then simply skim off the excess fat off the sauce, pour over the ribs and serve. Sorry, I forgot to film pouring the sauce over a bit. It's all the pressure I'm under since she broke her arm. Imagine what it's like trying to get your own coffee in the morning. I point out that she only broke one arm. Would she get my coffee? Would she act as like? Well, we hope you enjoyed this recipe, and hopefully, God willing, we'll see you on the next one. Stay safe. Bye for now.